Most guests would like to trust their guide and tracker, but you never give a chance for someone to trust themselves. Unless you're living in a tent in the bush exposed to wildlife, to hear different sounds, to give you the curiosity or the fear, what's out there, what can I hear, what's around my tent.
My journey as a field guide really began with the Royal Malewane apprenticeship, where not only it shaped my guiding skills, but also gave me really good perspective on life.
The Apprenticeship Programme is about giving a young individual an opportunity to develop as a professional in the field guiding industry.
It's possibly the most extensive program in the industry. You are exposed to an entire functioning 5-star lodge. You will be dealing with guests, with back of house staff, management. This is the real deal. It's a very hands-on operation. So not only do you get exposure to some of the best guides and trackers in the world, you also get the exposure you need when you're going to become a guide at another lodge.
Growing up in the village is like living in the bush. From a young age, I grew up going into the bush. I grew up eating wild fruits, knowing that the traditional beliefs or the medicinal beliefs of some plants, because I grew up there. Myself, I come from a training college, but I felt like I needed to do more for me to become a professional field guide or to get to where I want to be.
In 2 years, you gain experience and knowledge what might take you years to acquire elsewhere. We shadow the guides on a daily basis. We join them on drives, we walk with them, and the beauty of the apprenticeship is that we can take what we need, what we feel works for us from each guide, and we compile all of that together and we find what style works for us as a guide.
You are spending time with some of the most knowledgeable people in the industry. Where else in the world are you going to spend time with a master tracker?
Working with Jonas is a very fun and educational experience. He helps people to learn how to trail as well as do tracks and sign, which is identifying the tracks of the animals and all of the signs that they leave behind to help you to better locate them when you're out on drives or walks. Learning the behaviors of the animals, the different sounds and calls of the birds, identifying the different species of trees. Now when we're out here, we actually get to learn more about the uses that the trees have, the different behaviors that the animals show, and how you can best interact with them and coexist with them without impacting them.
What I enjoy most about the encounters is when we are able to execute a perfect encounter and we can view the animal, watch it, talk about it, and then leave without disturbing it. It's really important that we train in a manner to be able to do that, respecting their space. Part of our apprenticeship program is that we also live in tents for 2 years. It's just down to basics. And it's really good bonding time for us as well, to be completely removed and to just be in nature by ourselves.
It's a huge privilege to be here, working under such a great team, and it provides a really, really unique opportunity for me to further my qualifications before heading out into the industry as a fully fledged guide.
This is a life-changing opportunity, and it can help me get into where I want to be in the next coming years.